In this video, we listed the 5 best action camera on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Q6S Action Camera. The Q6S Action Camera is a versatile and high-performance device designed for sports and action video enthusiasts. It features an Ultra HD 4K resolution at 60 frames per second, supported by a Sony 386 sensor and a 170-degree wide-angle lens. The camera is equipped with a 2-inch LCD screen and offers multiple video resolutions, including 2.7K and 1080p, with advanced anti-shake technology using a 6-axis gyroscope and electronic image stabilization (EIS). It supports various video modes such as loop recording, time-lapse, and slow motion, and can accommodate up to a 128GB memory card. The camera includes built-in Wi-Fi for easy connectivity and control, as well as support for an external microphone. It is waterproof up to 30 meters, making it suitable for extreme sports and outdoor activities. The Q6S also supports multiple languages, enhancing its accessibility to a global audience. With a compact design and robust features like remote control support, HDMI output, and intelligent delay photography, the Q6S Action Camera is well suited for both beginners and semi-professional users looking for a reliable and high-quality video recording device. Number 2. G9 SE Action Camera. The VIRAN G9 SE Action Camera is a versatile sports and action video camera designed for various applications, including home use, semi-professional projects, extreme sports, and outdoor activities. It features a robust set of specifications, including a maximum video resolution of 5K at 30 frames per second and 4K at 60 frames per second, supported by a Sony IMX386 sensor and a GICatch V39 chipset. The camera is equipped with dual screens, a 2.0-inch touch rear LCD and a 1.33 color front LCD, allowing for easy navigation and monitoring. It offers electronic image stabilization, EIS, a wide-angle 170-degree lens, and is waterproof up to 30 meters, making it suitable for diving and other water-related activities. The camera supports various languages, has built-in Wi-Fi, HDMI output, and can accommodate up to 128GB microSD TF cards. It also includes additional features like a removable battery, remote control support, and optional accessories such as microphones and chargers. With a compact design weighing between 101G, 150G and a battery capacity of 1050 mAh, the VIRAN G9 SE is a reliable choice for capturing high-quality footage in diverse environments. The camera is available in different bundles with varying accessories and memory card options, ensuring flexibility for different user needs. Shipping includes options for external lithium batteries, which are handled with specific shipping methods due to aviation regulations. Number 3. PanoX V3 360-degree Action Camera. The PanoX V3 360 degrees Action Camera by Hindatel, originating from mainland China, is a newly upgraded device designed to enhance adventurous experiences. It features an IPX8 waterproof rating, a 1600 mAh replaceable battery, and customizable mode and quick shutter buttons. The camera supports a variety of languages, including Japanese, French, German, and many more, making it accessible to a wide audience. It comes equipped with advanced features such as split-screen video, loop recording, captivating 360 degrees video capabilities, and pilot-steady stabilization technology. The camera boasts a Sony IMX400 image sensor with about 72 MP effective megapixels and electronic image stabilization. It also includes a built-in microphone, Bluetooth support, Wi-Fi connectivity, and a display screen. The PanoX V3 offers smart 360 degrees camera modes like HUD trajectory, in-camera keyframe editing, one-click production, smart tracking, and a Bluetooth remote controller. It runs on an Android 10 system with a 3.0-inch touchscreen, allowing for immersive sharing through 2 sharing modes directly in the camera. The main processor supports up to 1440p, 30 fps video quality. With its robust specifications and additional functions like waterproof hidden capabilities, the PanoX V3 is positioned as a versatile and high-performing action camera for capturing dynamic and immersive content. Number 4. VIRAN Action Camera. The VIRAN Action Camera is a sports and action video camera designed for a variety of applications including home use, semi-professional filming, outdoor sports activities, bicycle riding, car DVR, and diving. It boasts a high video resolution of 4K and supports multiple languages such as Japanese, French, German, Spanish, Portuguese, Russian, English, Korean, simplified Chinese, and traditional Chinese. The camera features a waterproof design, a wide-angle lens of 170 degrees, and electronic image stabilization. It has an effective megapixel count of about 20 MP with a Sony IMX179 image sensor and is powered by an all-winner V3 processor supporting up to 1080p, 60 fps. The device supports Wi-Fi connectivity, HDMI output, and microSD, TF memory cards up to 128GB. It includes a built-in microphone, a display screen, and remote control support. The camera is compact with dimensions of 63 by 45.5 by 25.5 mm and weighs between 101g to 150g. It is equipped with a non-removable 1050 mAh battery and has a maximum aperture of 2.4. The camera is CE and RoHS certified and originates from mainland China under the brand name VIRAN. Number 5. Insta360 GO 3S Camera. The Insta360 GO 3S is a compact and versatile sports and action video camera designed for both amateur and professional use. Weighing just 1.4 ounces, 39 grams, and equipped with a powerful 4K video capture capability, this camera offers high-quality footage in a tiny package. It features a wide-angle lens with MegaView FOV for ultra-wide shots and less distortion, and it supports hands-free POV capture. The camera is equipped with a 2.2-inch flip screen, remote control, and live preview capabilities, along with a robust 140-minute battery life. It also offers flow state stabilization and horizon lock for smooth and level shots, regardless of the activity. The Insta360 GO 3S is waterproof, allowing for underwater filming up to 60 meters, 197 feet, with the dive case. It supports various connectivity options such as Wi-Fi, NFC, and Bluetooth, and offers additional features like gesture control, voice control, and quick capture for efficient shooting. The camera comes with a range of accessories for creative mounting options, making it ideal for extreme sports, outdoor activities, and more. It supports multiple languages and is certified with CE, originating from mainland China.